Everybody, this is Mr. Rarick. I wanted to give you a quick overview of how to complete the response quizzes for each act in the Julius Caesar unit. Each unit will be pretty much the same. You'll have a quiz to respond to the reading that you should have done in that act, and the quiz will have a variety of questions, but they'll all equal 100 points except for Act 5. That one's only worth 75 points. But the instructions are pretty much the same. There will be a link for you to read the act. Then it says complete this quiz, read each question carefully. Traditionally speaking, sometimes questions will have multiple parts to them, and students often only focus on the first part or the last part, and you got to be able to answer all of them, not just one section. So read the question carefully and write in complete sentences when necessary. And I'll tell you, any sentence that requires you to, or any question that requires you to write is going to require you to write in complete sentences and sometimes even paragraphs. So pay close attention to that. I'm going to preview this quiz real quick so that I can show you what I'm talking about and just some things for you to pay attention to. So the instructions are still up there. You can see them, and you're actually going to see this video up there as well. Explain, you can see questions that are basically each question's worth 5 points. If it has multiple parts, it'll be worth more than that. And then you can see if a question's worth a lot more than 5 points, that's because I expect you to do a lot more. Okay, so you can see 5-point questions, you would have a sentence or two to respond to that. You've got these matching questions, and they're vocabulary words. You find the definition. And let me scroll down here to the bottom. You can see a question that is worth 25 points. So hopefully you understand that a 25-point question should look quite a bit different than a 5-point question. A 25-point question, I'm expecting, paragraphs, multiple paragraphs of a response in order to receive full credit. All right. Anyway, basically all of your act responses will have something similar where you'll have a vocabulary section that's matching. You'll have some short answer that are between 5 and 10 points. You'll have 1 or 2 questions that are worth more than 5 or 10 points that require you to write in paragraphs as well. Hopefully that makes sense, and I hope you enjoy the play.